Swaminarayan Bhagwan ni jai, तथा अनंत अनादि मुक्तों ni jai. A humble prayer in their feet and lotus feet of our Guru, Anadi Muktraj Param Pujya Narayan Mama and Leela Masi, to augment this assembly with their divinity and grace, and to enhance our knowledge and guidance towards them. Last week, we talked about soul, Atmanishtha, and touched upon 24 elements. There were also some questions and some suggestions. So today, we'll digress from our flow and talk about caste system first, because it seemed like there was some interest in talking about it more. After that, we will continue with our conversation on soul, body, and mind. Following the soul, body, and mind conversation next week, we will talk about what is liberation and why liberation. And at that time, we will incorporate Vishal Bhai's suggestion and cover why worship at all. To maintain continuity moving forward, I would like to suggest that whenever there are major topics like the caste system, we take them into a separate interaction. So as soon as we have 2 or 3 such topics, we probably set up a separate session. And Vishal Bhai, this is just a suggestion, so that we have continuity in a given session on the topic that we are discussing. But just for today, because we'll learn along the way as to what will work the best for us, just for today, we'll digress and talk about caste system and then move back to our main conversation on soul, body, and mind. The other thing is, because we were not able to leave any room for Q&A last week and we ran overtime, this time I think we should be done in about 45 minutes. And there is a logical break at that time. But if we are not able to cover everything in 45 minutes, I'll still pause at 45 minutes so that we leave room for any further conversation or discussion.
Punita Ben, I think, because when we are doing such an important understanding series and being it Sunday, I think if we run over time, that is not should not be a concern for everyone. And, and after that, these recordings will be available for people who have to leave for, so I think we should continue the flow, as much time you need, actually. That's what my suggestion would be.
Okay. All right, but I also wanted to respect everybody's Sunday morning. So, all right. So let's get started. So what we'll do today is move a little bit away from